watch some Netflix or play some video games? Well, this is the PS4. To get it started, you have to take the remote control and press the start button. Then, when you see that it begins to glow like this, you have to go up to the PS4 itself and press this start button. Once it glows, you can see that it's working. So while that, you're going to take one of these remotes and you're going to press the PS button over here. And yeah, well, it's going to load, so since it's loading right now, but as you can see, I'm pressing the PS button and it's, well, getting started. So now that the television has loaded, you're going to pick one of the users. So don't use the guest account because they're not logged into anything. So use either Amalia Yofi or Evgenia Yofi. We're gonna go into Amalia Yofi right now. So if you want to play a game of Mortal Kombat, then you have to use this one to just go to Mortal Kombat and then press X. But it's a whole lot of things, so we're not going to do that right now, so I'm going to show you how to use Netflix. You are going to go to Netflix, go to the television thing, and wait until it loads. So all those signs you can hear, you can see over here, you can see that it's loading. Yeah. So after it finishes loading, you're going to take the remote control and basically you're just going to go down with this. And I don't know why it's still loading. It's taking a long time. So yeah. If you want to play Mortal Kombat, just press X. And if you want to exit a certain application, then press the PS button and just go on whatever else you want. And I don't know why it's loading for so long, but if you want to watch Netflix, then after it finishes loading, there's going to be a bunch of options, and Netflix is going to be the very first one. So, yep, pick and watch anything and just have fun.